the Nigerian stablecoin cNGN. Welcome to another video. In this one, we will introduce you to the cNGN, a special type of cryptocurrency called a stablecoin. Just like USDT was created to offer a digital asset pegged to the US dollar, cNGN is pegged to the Nigerian Naira. The main goal behind forming cNGN is to give Nigeria a stable and trusted digital currency that is tied directly to the value of the Naira. By bridging the gap between local currency and global crypto markets, cNGN allows people to transact more easily, protect against volatile price swings in other cryptocurrencies, and tap into the benefits of blockchain technology without losing the familiarity of using the Naira. Recognized as Nigeria's first regulated stablecoin, it aims to simplify digital transactions within the country's financial system. It's your public tech advisor, so let's get you up to date. Understanding stablecoins. Stablecoins are digital assets designed to keep their value steady, usually by being pegged to a real-world asset, often a national currency. In cNGN's case, it's pegged to the Nigerian Naira, so one cNGN aims to be always equals to 1 Naira. This regulated approach offers greater trust compared to unregulated cryptocurrency, aligning it more closely with the way USDT is pegged to the US dollar. The origins of stablecoin concept. A recent study highlights why several firms are interested in developing a stablecoin in Nigeria called Compliant Nigeria Naira, cNGN. Now, it emphasizes that stablecoins, unlike volatile cryptocurrencies, are pegged to a reference asset such as fiat money or commodities, aiming to maintain a consistent value. Historically, money itself began as a social convention where people accepted it based on the belief that others will do the same. Over time, government-backed money replaced these private forms. However, suspicion over government control, fear of inflation, and economic crisis led private actors to create digital currencies like Bitcoin. While such cryptocurrencies offer faster payment, lower fees, and privacy, their violation drew criticism from analysts, policymakers, and central banks. As a response, stablecoins were introduced to combine the benefits of cryptocurrencies with a more stable price. So, according to the study, a cNGN stablecoin could enable faster payments, smooth cross-border transactions, and broader financial inclusion for the already banked. Yet, its challenges include ensuring regulations, maintaining public trust, and preventing misuse. Ultimately, the study concludes that cNGN's success depends on widespread adoption, transparent reserve, and close collaboration with regulators to safeguard financial stability and protect consumers. How cNGN works. Backing by the Naira. cNGN is backed by reserves of Naira. Just like some stablecoins such as USDT are backed by US dollar, this means that the number of cNGN coins in circulation will always match the Naira held in reserve. In addition, cNGN is traded on select local and international exchanges, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Blockchain technology. It uses blockchain technology to keep track of transactions in a transparent way. Every cNGN transaction is recorded on a public ledger, so you can verify it anytime. Because it's regulated stablecoin, there is an added level of assurance that issuers are collaborating with authorities to maintain compliance and consumer protection. Stability factor. Because it's pegged one-to-one with Naira, cNGN is designed to maintain its price even when the broader cryptocurrency market goes up or down. This steady valuation mirrors how USDT stays equal to $1, only here it's tied to the Naira instead. Why cNGN matters. Cutting out USDT as a middleman. Traditionally, many Nigerians have had to purchase USDT first before buying other cryptocurrencies. cNGN upends this process by eliminating the need to route through USDT as an intermediary. Now, users can directly purchase cryptocurrencies using cNGN on supported exchange, making the process faster and often cheaper. Faster transactions. Sending Naira to friends or family can be made easier, quicker, and often cheaper because there are few middlemen. Think of it as using the Naira you already trust, but on a faster digital network. Lower fees. Bank transfers and crypto exchanges can have high fees, especially for cross-border transactions. With cNGN, fees can be greatly reduced, benefiting individuals and businesses. Gateway to global crypto use. cNGN allows Nigerians to tap into the global crypto networks without the price volatility you see in Bitcoin or Ethereum. You keep the stable value of Naira while still enjoying the advantages of crypto. Difference between cNGN and eNaira. I'm guessing that you already know eNaira. So while both cNGN and eNaira are digital representation of the Naira, eNaira is issued and regulated by the Central Bank of Nigeria as an official central bank digital currency. cNGN, on the other hand, is a private stablecoin backed by Naira Reserve and operate on an open blockchain. cNGN was developed by a consortium of local and international financial institutions and fintech companies who call themselves ASC, Africa Stablecoin Consortium, as referenced on the cNGN's official website here. The core members include payment service providers, investment companies, blockchain developers, and compliance specialists. Together, they bring expertise in finance, technology, and regulation, aiming to create a stablecoin ecosystem that aligns with Nigerian laws and global best practices. To preserve trust and ensure one-to-one backing, the consortium hold Naira Reserve in secure bank accounts. These reserves are subject to independent audit, routine checks, and regulatory oversight. According to the cNGN FAQ, transparency is a core principle, so users can verify that the number of cNGN tokens matches the Naira held in reserve anytime. This arrangement guarantees that for every cNGN in circulation, there is a corresponding Naira safely stored, maintaining the stablecoin's integrity. Use cases and benefits. Everyday purchases. In the future, you could use cNGN to pay for everyday things like groceries, transport, and online services. Exactly the same way you spend Naira, but quicker and more conveniently. Remittance and cross-border payments. If you have family abroad who sends money to you, or you are a business receiving international payment, cNGN could help you avoid higher transfer fees. Access to other crypto services. You can also move easily between cNGN and other cryptocurrencies on exchanges, letting you explore or invest in broader crypto market in a more controlled and stable way. Challenges in the current landscape. One notable challenge is the evolving regulatory environment. For instance, there has been a recent brawl between the Nigerian government and Binance, the largest crypto exchange in the world. Tensions like this create uncertainty for all digital assets, including regulated stablecoins. Although the cNGN's regulated status may shield it from such issues, consistent policies and cooperations between issuers and authorities will be crucial for its long-term success. Also, there has been misunderstanding around the cNGN's launch, with some anticipating a February 2025 release, leading to confusion about the required licensing and approvals from the Security and Exchange Commission (SEC). Now, the consortium behind cNGN, ASC, clarified that they have not officially launched yet and are in the process of securing necessary regulatory endorsements. The SEC stance on stablecoins means strict regulatory guidelines, which must be met before cNGN can operate at full capacity. These regulatory hurdles illustrate how consistent policy, clear communication, and ongoing cooperation with authorities will be crucial for cNGN's long-term success. Additionally, the eNaira itself has faced skepticism and low adoption rate from the Nigerian public. Signaling acceptance of digital currencies is no simple task. This hesitation could spill over to affect the adoption of the cNGN as well. If Nigerians remain skeptical and cautious about new digital currency options, it poses significant risk that the ASC must consider and address through education, transparent operation, and solid partnership with regulators and financial institutions. Conclusion. In short, cNGN is all about giving the Naira a digital facelift. a stable, secure, and borderless way to transact. Whether you are making everyday payments, sending money to a friend, or just exploring the crypto universe, cNGN keeps it simple and familiar by pegging itself to the Naira's value. I hope this explainer video helps you understand what the cNGN is and how it works. Smash the like button and hit subscribe for more simple and everyday explanation of finance and technology. Spread the word and share it with someone who you think might need it. It's your public tech advisor. Thank you for watching. Until the next one. Cheers.